Welcome back to Crafted by AP, aka APTV. My name is Appel and I'm here to teach you Kirundi one word at a time. Today's Kirundi word of the day is Amahoro. Let's get into it. Today's word is Amahoro, and the meaning of the word Amahoro is hello or peace. And the pronunciation of this word is Amahoro. Repeat after me. Amahoro. Amahoro. Here's an example on how to use Amahoro in a sentence. Amahoro, amakuru. This literally translates to hello, how are you? And here's a usage tip for this word. It's usually used as a respectful and very common greeting in Burundi or towards another Burundian. And here's a fun fact about this word. It means peace, which shows how important harmony is in the culture. Now, comment down below Amahoro if you got it. And if you haven't, please refer back to the pronunciation section of this video and try to practice again. Yesterday's word was amakuru. Click this video to learn how to pronounce this word and what it means. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another word.